Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our CASA-KITAB. This is our coffee station kitchen shelf. Let's go ahead by opening up the box. Proceeding with step 1, we'll be needing our parts 1, 2 and 3 as well as our D leg standoffs. We'll go ahead now and install that to each. Step 2, we'll be taking our parts 2 and 3 as well as 2 parts of 10. We'll be needing our C self-tapping screws as well as our Allen key. We'll go ahead now and assemble. Alright, beginning with our first board number 10 and our first side. You'll notice on the side of the board here on number 10 there are pre-piloted holes on both sides. We're going to use those for our screws. Paying close attention on this part, you'll see there are 2 holes at the bottom here. Okay, you're going to install it on the bottommost hole of these 2 holes. So we'll go ahead now. Next, we'll be installing the other side. We're going to leave ourselves some space here so that we can install the second board. Proceeding to step 3, we'll be taking our previous assembly as well as 2 boards number 9 and our part number 1. We'll also be needing our part C, these self-tapping screws again. We'll be needing 8 of them and our Allen key from before. We'll go ahead now and assemble it here, here and here and here, and then we'll show you on the corresponding side. Please note, when installing part 1 on this side, that on the rear you will be having these additional holes on the sides here and in the middle here. They will be necessary for the next step when installing. Moving on to step 4, we'll be needing 2 parts of our number 4, as well as 4 of our A screws and the larger Allen key. We'll go ahead now and show you where to install them. Moving on to step 5, we'll be needing our board number 11, and we'll be needing our C-type screws again, as well as the smaller Allen key. We'll go ahead now and show you where to install it. For step 6, we'll be needing our board number 8, as well as 6 of the A screws and the larger Allen key. Looking at board 8, we've got these inserts here for our screws, and we will be installing them over here. Let's go ahead and begin. For step 7, we're going to need our part 6, as well as 4 of the B screws and our larger Allen key. I'm going to go ahead now and install it here. For step 8, we'll be needing parts number 5, as well as our part B again, and the larger Allen key. For step 9 and 10, we'll be needing our hooks. We're going to go ahead now and show you how to install those. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly video of our CASA-KITAB. To see more product assembly videos, visit us on www.lasa.africa. Thank you.